Today I'm going to show you the one thing that has really improved my pull-ups. The one thing that is giving me the maximum results from my pull-ups. I am my own cameraman today and every day, so I'm going to try my best to give you some close-ups of what I'm going to teach you today. Take action on it, implement it, stay consistent with it, and the results will come. It has no choice but to come. That's how it's done. I just finished the 50 burpees, so I'm very out of breath. You see me taking this water. Okay. So this is how I used to do my pull-ups. I'll just go to the bar and grab it like this, you know. You know. If you can come close, this part of my hand is what is holding the bar, like this. Sometimes I would even go like this, and then like that. But I realized doing that put a lot of stress. It puts a lot of stress here, you know, and there is not much strength here. It is better you put, let me show you. So now how I do my pull-ups is take full control of the bar. And what do I mean by that? You know, instead of going this way, instead of touching the bar like this, you should go all the way like that. You know, like this. You have to go to the point where your knuckles are pointing up. Okay, so you have to hold the bar to the point where your knuckles are pointing up. So I'll show you. Like that. Boom. Just like that. And for me, whenever I hold the bar like this, in my mind I have full control of my body and also the bar. So this is the one thing that has really improved my pull-ups. I cannot tell you, I cannot stress this enough. Even if you're a beginner, start doing this, start going this way. Okay, hold the bar, like make sure your hands, make sure your knuckles are facing up. Okay, okay, like this. See how it gives me that explosive up move. Okay, that's the one thing that has completely changed the results I'm getting from pull-ups. Okay. Now I'm going to do it from the back. So you can see. Okay, so get on the bar, hold it. Make sure you do something like that. Where the pressure is here. So that's it for today. If you like this video, subscribe. And this is my first talking fitness video on this channel. I hope I'm doing good. I'll see you in the next one.